As I sit here talking to you fine folks, I was just previously going like this, picking my nose. But I'm going to keep it in because I don't care. All right, what are you doing, man? You having a good day? All right, you're ready to maybe find a business that can earn some bucks for you, working on your cell phone or online, working in your PJs or your boxers, or I don't know, maybe you're a nudist and you're sitting outside at the pool, completely just like you were born, getting a sunburn on your Wang Chung. You could do this business as long as your cell or your computer don't blow up from the heat, okay? Live Good, let's see, December of 2022 is when they said ready, set, go. All right, the products, you can see some on my fridge off to the left of your screen. The products are just amazing. We have tons of products now. When I first joined a couple of years ago, there's only a handful of products, but we've been debuting. We've been debuting. Sometimes we debut at the same time. But yeah, we have some new products coming out just about every month. Okay, and I'll show you how easy it is to look at the products, the pay plan if you want to be an affiliate, and tons of questions that you can just go click on our website and sit back and see if your questions are answered just by clicking something, okay? So anyway, let me shrink myself up here. How I've been able to, reach number, let's see, I'm looking live. I'm number 29 out of 2 million people right now. All right, so yeah, to be number 29 out of 2 million, I'm pretty happy with that. And what I mean is that's how many people I've signed up just personally. People watch my videos like this. I make things kind of fun, kind of simple, and I want my downline to duplicate. Okay, and how I do it is I want you or my team to get business cards. I go to Vistaprint, they're 20 bucks. I go to GoDaddy because they're live humans there, 24 hours. I like to just talk to a human. Joincory.com was open. I paid $11.95, and then I forward it to my Live Good capture page, which you'll see if you go to joincory.com. All right, I don't mind if you email me. All right, you can see Cory at CoryDraper.com. I've had that email since almost 35 years now. And then what I do is I just welcome everybody to this page here. All right, how do you be a maniac consumer, a customer? Well, you go to the products page. Okay, and I think if you buy any of these products, you're going to be kind of a maniac like me where you like to buy them every month. And you don't have to be a member to buy any of these products, just like going to Walmart.com or Amazon.com. But if you want wholesale pricing, it's only $9.95 a month. That's it. In my experience, I was buying super reds, super greens. Somewhere in here is amino acid fruit punch. And the organic coffee right here. You can see right below my head, or I guess below my little picture here. And here it is. There's amino acid fruit punch. I was buying these 4 products, and by me spending $9.95 a month to be a member, it was saving me $40. And then I times that by 12, and I'm like, oh God, I need to be a member. So for $9.95, I was buying these products not to resell, because you can if you want. I was just using them. Then a friend of mine got a hold of me a couple months later and said, why don't you look into Live Good as an affiliate? So I paid 40 bucks. That's all you spend, guys. One time. And you're an affiliate. You can earn money. And you don't have to buy any products to earn money because we're a wholesale-based company. So for $9.95 a month, you're getting any of these products barely for $1 or $2 more than the cost of what it costs to make, okay, and ship to Jupiter, Florida, where we're based out of. But go through all these products. And our newest ones are always at the bottom. Whip Tallow Balm. I never heard of this, but I love it. Okay. Methylene Blue is just killing. Man, what a popular product. The Vitality for the guys. CBD oil for aches and pains. But anyway, there's that Methylene Blue, the new Tropic. It'll turn your pee-pee blue and your tongue blue. It's kind of fun. All right, so check it out. So what I always tell people, go to joincory.com, check out the opportunity, watch the little video, go to Live Good and check out the products, and then go to the FAQ page. Where is it? Right there. Click it, and here's a whole bunch of questions. Just click any one of them, and boom, it pops up the answer to them all. And then go to the bottom of your cell phone or your, let's see, right there. It says pay plan. So go to the bottom of your website. It could be on a home phone, or it could be on a laptop or home computer. But go ahead and hit affiliate pay plan. If your screen's bigger, the word affiliate pops up. But if it just says pay plan, it's the same thing. Click it, and then you're going to see it says affiliate there in green. Boom, right there. Well, scroll and just read the 7 ways we get paid by memberships, not by product. Okay? But do what I do. Go to the very bottom and watch the YouTube video. It's produced by LiveGood. It's 1,000 times easier to watch how the pay plan works than to read this boring website about 50% of 5% and 1% and 5% is 2%. No one gives a rat's ass. They don't want to read. They want to watch. So go to pay plan. Go to the bottom and watch the YouTube video. And then to repeat, go to the FAQ section. All right, you'll see it right there, FAQ. And then, of course, go to the products tab. And please, order the products. You have 3 months. Isn't that a kick-ass guarantee? Can you believe it that if I buy, you can see some of my LiveGood products on the shelves over there. There's Super Reds, Super Greens, and I think that says organic coffee and amino acid fruit punch. You know, if I buy those products and leave them there for a couple months, and if I want to dump out all the ingredients in a Tupperware bowl, and if I send those 4 containers back within 90 days, 3 months, I just have to ship them back to the warehouse in Jupiter, Florida. LiveGood just says, hey, you know what? Full money back guarantee. Every single penny it took. Isn't that awesome? How do you beat that? So try the products out, and if you think they really kick ass, then you're going to buy them every month, but at least be a member. But I recommend become an affiliate. It's only $40. One time for life, guys. And if you just start screwing around a little bit and inviting people to your LiveGood capture page, and you'll see what it is with joincory.com. Everyone has the same capture page. I'll just show you real quick. You might as well. All right, let's go to joincory.com. All right, you're going to see this handsome devil here in blue. He's pointing to the video. Watch this video. It is hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about the opportunity, the pay plan, and everything in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Now, if you want more information, put in your name and email, and every day we'll send you a nice email about LiveGood. And if you want to opt out, just hit opt out. And if you want to join, then put your name and email here. And go ahead and just click that reserve my position now. And then open up your LiveGood email and you can join. Get your username, password, set up your bank account. We get paid every week, every Thursday. And buy some products. Okay, if you really buy the products, you might even want to buy a LiveGood hat and a shirt, which I have. I have all the shirts hanging in my other room, and I have a ton of the LiveGood hats right underneath my desk here. But, yep, I'm in my Walmart $6 shirt and my white car production hat, okay? But you don't have to fake it to make it with LiveGood. Make it fun. Make it simple. Buy the products. If you don't like them, get your money back. You got 90 days, and it's only $40. So for $49.95, you can join as a member and affiliate, and then pay $9.95 a month. Deal? And if you have an extra $100, then you get 12 months for the price of 10. So for $99.95 plus the $40 one-time fee, $139.95. You're a member and affiliate, and you don't have anything to do the next year other than just spread the word about this opportunity. And believe me, guys, a lot of people are just going to buy the products. And what's funny is 30 days later, they become affiliates. This happens, oh man, I'd say 85% of my downline has done that. They just take baby steps and buy the products cheap. Then they're like, screw it. God, it's been a week or two. I got $40. They upgrade to be an affiliate and a member. Okay? It all adds up, guys. So go to the FAQ, go to the pay plan link, and go to the products tab. My email address, if you remember, I'll show you my business card one more time if I can find it. Okay, you can see on the card there, Cory@CoryDraper.com. And obviously my mission is for you to click joincory.com, okay? All right, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if I can help you out, get a hold of me. All right, I'm pretty chitty chatty. I'll help you out. All right, kids, thanks for your time and watching my videos. Take care. Bye.